Hi guys, welcome to my first video on the HTML tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about HTML. For this first playlist will be on the basic of HTML. So let's go. First of all, you go to your window, look for Notepad. Every Windows system have Notepad, so just search for it, Notepad, and open it. This notepad, that is the text editor we are going to use for now. So all the window have it. In the notepad, type less than exclamation mark and then doc type HTML. This statement is just telling the browser the document I want to write is a type of HTML, and in HTML there are what we call tags. So there is opening tag and closing tag. So type HTML. This is an opening tag, while the closing tag /HTML. So you can see opening tag is like this, while closing tag have this / before the tag. So the HTML we now have head, close tag for head 2, head. So in between the head we have the title, that is the title of the website. Title. So let's assume I call the title of the website to be WordPress website. So you close the title again. That is that about the head. Now the body. So the body now is the visible part of the website. Anything that will be in between the body will be the one that user will be able to see. So there are different tags that you can put in the body. There is heading, there is paragraph, there is figure, there is div. There are different tags, but most of your coding will be in between this body. So we have headings which are H1 to H6. I will use H1 for now. H1 is first. I can say welcome to my website. I close the tag for H1, and I close the tag for H1, and you can have the paragraph too. P, and this is my first web page. I love coding. So you close the tag. So this is just the basic template of HTML. So from the top, this doc type is telling you the document I want to write is HTML. This opening tag for HTML. It close down here, the head close and open. So and then you see the body open here and close here. So this is just the basic template of HTML. So using Notepad, you have to save your file. So click on File, Save As. Now you have to choose the location that you want to save your file into. I will advise you always create a new folder in your desktop or a place that you want to work. So I will inside the desktop now. I will create a new folder which I will call Press HTML. So that's the name of the folder. I open it, and this is my first file. I will call it index. Make sure you have extension .html, and here save as type. Come and tell it all file, and at the end of it, you click on save. So with this now, we are able to save our file. What we need is now navigate to the desktop. So I can just press Window D on the window, navigate to desktop. On the desktop, so Control press HTML, I open it. You can see the file I've opened as with icon of the browser. So if I open it now, yeah, see this is my first website. You can see the welcome, that is the H1 for heading. This is the paragraph, and you can see this place, CondiPress website. That is where the title is. So this is the code for the title CondiPress website, and this is it here. So if you change the title, it's going to be any other thing again. So let me just leave it as CondiPress page. So if I save it and I come to this website and I reload, it's going to change to CondiPress page. You can see it there. So that is simple web page for HTML. I hope you find this interesting. So subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more video on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and web development. Subscribe.